Today we're honoring female firefighters with stunning coasters using homemade silicone inlays. Let's celebrate their courage and strength and style. Now let's dive right into our project. I begin by coloring the silicone inlays in different color shades of pink. And the inlays I will be coloring today are the helmet, the fire extinguisher, the fire truck, the numbers 911, and the fireman badge. Welcome to this exciting part of the resin journey. I'll be showing you how I used a regular silicone mold shaped like flames to create a stunning element for one of our coasters. To begin, I carefully applied some mica powder to highlight the intricate details of the flame design. This adds depth and a stunning shimmer to our piece. Next, I'll be using some Let's Resin UV resin to bring these flames to life. This is the key to achieving a flawless result. As working in layers, I'll demonstrate how to pour a thin layer of resin over the mold to cover the entire area evenly. Once the layer is in place, I will cure it with my UV light before moving on to the next layer. This step-by-step process not only builds the flame structure, but it also enhances it dramatically and brilliantly. By repeating this meticulously layer and curing process, we create a vibrant and durable flame motif that will truly stand out in one of our coasters. I want to share with you that these inlays are handmade by me using Let's Resin silicone rubber with a 15A hardness, offering a high flexibility. They're perfect for adding a unique touch to any resin creation. If you're interested, you can find them in my eBay store. The link is conveniently located in the description box below. Thank you for watching. I mix up some Let's Resin epoxy resin with the help of my Resiners dual mixing machine and my Let's Resin debubbler. Now that our silicone mold is ready and our resin is all mixed up, I have added some navy blue glitter and some silver rainbow colored glitter to our base coat of our coasters. I will allow this to cure, and then we will be back to add our inlays. Now I will carefully place the inlays into the coaster mold, ensuring that they will fit perfectly. Now I mix up another batch of my Let's Resin epoxy resin. And this time I added a little bit of crushed crystal just to add that extra sparkle to the top. I'm going to let this fully cure and I will be back at time to demold. And finally, time to demold, revealing the stunning details of the dedicated to our brave female firefighters. If you love this project, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And check out these coasters in my eBay store. And celebrate our heroes with your support. Here in the video, I am pointing out a couple air bubbles that are not problems. I just drilled them out and filled them in. You'll never know they were there. Now this coaster that I'm showing you now, the bottom was concaved in, and that is because of the poor quality of the silicone mold that I used. And all I had to do was pour another layer on the bottom, and you never even knew it was there. Now I didn't put any stickers or any names or anything on these coasters. I wanted to leave them blank for anyone that may purchase them. If you want a name put on them, please just contact me down in the comments or send me an email. I'll be happy to help.